I just got my summer FabFitFun box today. Normally my next video would have been an all true box, but that one still has not shipped yet. So this is the one that I'm doing today, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm sorry if my hair's kind of a mess and everything and I sound kind of sick, but I really wanted to open it. So this is what the summer box looks like. It's just got like ice cream cones and stuff like that on it. And I'm going to have this one on my lap because my address is on the part that would normally be facing, so I need to like open it this way. Just gonna flip that over. Okay. And then this is the inside. And it says, this box is made out of 100% recycled craft materials. They're committed to delivering happiness and joy to your doorstep while finding ways to lighten the carbon footprint. So that is what the box looks like. And then it comes with like this little magazine and everything. It's got some like different things about products and everything like that. So we get that. And then it also has some stickers. Then there's a little $15 off thing you can give a friend. And let's see. It also has these things in it. So it's got one of these liquid IV things. I've tried these one time before and I really didn't like them, but I'll try them again or I'll see if my husband wants it. So I've got one of those. And then it just comes with some like little things like this, Daily Harvest things, stuff like that. Okay, so now to get into the box, I think I'll start with this. So this is the first thing that I have in here. Let me go ahead and get it opened up. It's a Cara Seamless Bralette in Rose Blush. I got mine in a large, extra large. So it's just this like light, cute little pink bralette. I thought it was like super cute. It seems pretty stretchy, so I think this is a good size for me. Let me see. Right, but it's just this cute little lacy thing, and I think it's really cute. I've been really into bralettes lately instead of like actual bras, so I'm very excited for this. And I did pay $15 extra for this, so I do have more in this box than normal because I did pay a little more to get extra stuff. I'm sorry if I keep running out of breath. Like I said, I'm still kind of sick. It's not COVID, but I am still kind of sick, so. But yeah, this was $15 because it was with another item that I really wanted. So I have that there. Then the next thing that I have in here is a body scrubber. It's a KO body scrubber. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I think that this is one of the things that they were giving everyone. So it's like just this little silicone scrubber thing that you can use. And I actually really like the idea of this because I feel like the loofahs and stuff can get like really gross, but this is like silicone. So I feel like it'll feel nice in the water, and like I feel like you can keep silicone more clean. So I think that'll be really cool to try. And then the next thing that I have in here is going to be Truly Gone Acne Fighting Super Dots from Truly Clear. So it comes with 72 in here. There's like a tiny one and a bigger one. And then it says new, invisible, and easy peel design, natural and gentle protective formula. They are latex-free, gluten-free, vegan, and has 2 size patches in a resealable bag. So this has like a zipper. And basically you're supposed to be able to just like put it on the acne and press firmly. Leave it on for at least 6 hours, and then once you take it off, it's supposed to have like helped. So I'm excited to try these. The ones that I got from CVS don't work that well. I'm not sure if I put the review up for them yet. I will if I haven't. But, so I'm excited to try something else because I've heard so many people swear by these things, and the other ones that I got just don't work. So I'm really curious. I don't know if I have any spots I can put them on right now, but I will do a review when I do. Then next up in here, I have this ab wheel here. So I've never had one of these, but this looks kind of interesting, so I'm trying to get into working out again. So let me see if it has the brand on it. It's a New Balance ab wheel. So let me go ahead and open it up so you can see. So I'm assuming that these go together like this. Okay. So it comes with like the handles and everything. And then I'm going to put that up there so the cats don't eat it. It looks like it has some like things that you can do with it, so that'll be nice. So I'm thinking that this goes through here, and then these go on the outside. That seems like a pretty safe assumption. I might have to get my husband to help me put them all the way on, but so I clearly don't have these pushed all the way in, but once they're all the way in, let me see if I can do it. Okay. Probably gonna have a bruise on my leg, but that's how it goes. And then I'm not entirely sure how this works, but I'm gonna look at the instructions and stuff. So that's something that I'm gonna be trying out. I might do a review on that as well. And then, let's see, a lot of stuff in this one. So the next thing in here is a Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink eye mask. It's a collagen boosting eye mask. So let me see. A lot of extra plastic on these things this time. Okay. Don't mind me just throwing all the paper on the floor. I will pick that up later. Okay. Alright, so let's see how many. Good choice. How many come in here? So it comes with 12 pairs in here, and they just look like this. They're like little pink and purplish little eye masks. So these will be cool to try. It says you leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes. So these will definitely be something that I will do a review on as well. So that is the next thing in here. Next up, we have a MU Rimuru. It is a leave-in conditioner from Natura Echoes. I'm really not sure what this brand is, but it says 95% natural origin. They're against animal testing. They're vegan. So let's see. So it's just this little bottle, and it looks like a pretty thick cream. Here's the protective seal. So yeah, this is basically just a leave-in. It smells, I can actually smell it through the tube. It smells pretty good. So I am excited to give that a try. And I will let you guys know how it goes. The next thing I have in here, okay, I thought this was my all true, but it's actually in this box. So I was actually just mentioning this to my husband, telling him that he might like these. So let me see if I can get it open. I'm going to destroy the box, but it is multi-use storage duo. It contains 2 ceramic canisters and 2 metal lids. So in here I have these really cute little black and gold canisters. Let me go ahead and open them up and take it out. I believe they're the same size, but yeah, it looks like this. So they're really cute. Apparently you can use them for food or for jewelry and stuff. So I think they're really cute, and I'm excited to show him these and see if he wants one. So that is what's in that one. I'm hoping you guys can't see all the stuff I'm setting. Okay, now to the thing that I am most excited about. I did pay, I believe, $10 extra to get this. It was one of the premium things, and that's why I had to pay to get the bra, because these were in the same thing. Let me go ahead and get paper off of this so I can show you guys. Okay, so this looks really, really cool. So what it is it is the Foxy Bay, let me see, Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush. So I'm very excited to try this. So let me go ahead and pull it out here. Okay, so I have never tried something like this before, but basically it looks like this. Let me pick this up so the cats don't eat it. Right, so it's like a blow dryer, I think, but it has numerous settings, and you brush through your hair. So I looked up a few videos of it, and it looks really cool, so I'm really excited to test it. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, but that should be interesting as far as styling and stuff. But I'm very excited to try this, and this is absolutely something that I will be reviewing when I try it out. So stick around for that. It's just so pretty. I love the rose gold and stuff. So hopefully I can find a way to display this as well as use it. But yes, I'm so excited about these items. I cannot wait to try them. And yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more of in the future. And I hope that you guys have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!